Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the line messaging login error. So first thing first, make sure that you have updated your line messaging app. First of all, you have to launch your Play Store or App Store. If you see update, select update. If not, select open. Now select login from here and select if it's your main device or sub device. It'll give you option like how would you like to log in. All you have to do is follow these steps. You can either log in via QR code or with another method, which is Google account or Apple. So it is that simple. If for some reasons you're not being able to log in, then simply I recommend you to uninstall Line application like this. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for Line again, install it. And likewise, repeat the same process, enter your credentials, and then in a couple seconds, you will have logged into your account.